to the Fumble. I'm Sherry Landry. The Cleveland Cavaliers stomped the Toronto Raptors 108-89 in Game 2 of the Eastern Conference Finals to take a 2-game lead in the series Thursday night. The Cavs remain undefeated in the playoffs with 10 straight wins, becoming only the 4th team in NBA history to start a postseason 10-0. The only other teams to accomplish this were the 2012 Spurs, 2001 Lakers, and 1989 Lakers. LeBron James once again did not disappoint, finishing the game by posting his 15th playoff triple-double with 23 points, 11 rebounds, and 11 assists. Take a look as LeBron steals the ball from the Raptors to throw down a flashy reverse slam dunk to send the crowd to their feet. LeBron moved past Shaquille O'Neal into 4th place on the career postseason scoring list, trailing only Michael Jordan, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, and Kobe Bryant. Not only did LeBron have a big night, but he ended it on a high note. LeBron found legendary Kareem Abdul-Jabbar waiting in the locker room to congratulate him. The series heads to Toronto on Saturday for Game 3. For all the latest in sports news, visit us at obsessed.com/sports and be sure to subscribe to The Fumble.